Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. Now folks, if you have seen those videos or footage of the Honda Pilot and the Hyundai Santa Fe XL crashing against the wall, both of those cars looks terrible after the crash. But that isn't going to be enough to determine which one is better. Which is why we are going to give you the analysis of those crash tests. But before we jump into the analysis, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Now, let's just get into the analysis, folks. Now we get into the most popular segment in the automotive world nowadays, which is the midsize SUV segment. I'm pretty sure a lot of you folks know about this car, or even own this car as a daily driver. The point is, everybody knows this car. Everybody loves this car for its practicality. And everybody seems to own this car nowadays. But not everybody knows how good they are when overcoming crash tests, which is exactly what we are going to do, in hope of giving you a better perspective when you're considering in buying these cars. As usual, we also use the same crash test report from the IIHS organizations. Now, starting from the top. If you look closely, and I'm pretty sure you notice, both of these cars earns the same score, which is good, acceptable, good, which is just the same. It's good. Both of these cars is good in terms of crash worthiness. And then in terms of crash avoidance and mitigations, both cars also earns a good score. The only difference is in the headlight sections, the Honda Pilot earns an acceptable score, while the Hyundai Santa Fe XL earns a poor score. But this really depends on what trims you get. If you get both on the same trims, I'm pretty sure there will be no comparison. And it's also the same with front crash prevention, which is the same 3 stacked green bars. And then last but not least, in the child seat anchors, they both earn a same acceptable score. So the conclusion is the Honda Pilot and the Hyundai Santa Fe XL both provide practically identical safety in terms of crash tests. Almost as if they are the same vehicle, because there are no narrow margins to really compare these cars side by side. There's no difference at all in terms of performance in crash testing. So the decisions is now on you folks. Maybe you can consider this car based on the technology and features that they provide. There you have it folks, the Honda Pilot versus the Hyundai Santa Fe XL. If you have requests on any car that you want to see the comparison of, let me know by leaving a comment down below. See ya folks!